I searched up 2D names on Play Store and I found this Tadbird. What is this? The name of a Tadbird or something? Press start. I played a bit, so I didn't know what to do. Yeah, I done Hammer Level 4. There's this white thing. I don't know what that is. Yeah. No. What even is this all about? I'm sorry, Hermes. This attack will be done. So, off camera, like on the third level, I just clicked. Like there's this thing, and I just did this. I know it's pretty useful now, but I just clicked instead of holding. Oh. But what is this thing? Is there any step levels in this ad? I mean, what ad? Dang. No! Why you do this? They made this easier, please. Can I like jump on that thing or something? Oh, I probably need the bots. Yeah, I probably need the bots, but it's way too slow. I'm just a little cat, man. Having wings, so why do I have to go through all of that? Oh boy. Wait, no, now we're doing that, but someone take this box. It seems useful. And jump! Yeah. Jump again! No! What? I said jump again! Not fell then. Go. Come on! No, yeah! There it goes. Wait, I forgot this. It takes way too slow, man. Whoever made this thing, please make it faster. I know I'm just a little cat and making it faster to make sense, but oh yeah, oh, so close. What do you mean Pussbird? What do you mean Pussbird, man? What, do I puss the bird or something? Like this, Like that, And I'm even pressing the thing! Or maybe we'll just make it. Yeah, that's what I had to do. Oh wow, this is pretty better for that. Pot. Bro, what the? Why did that chicken actually stare me, man? What the answer, Martin? No. That just stop it, alright. How did you not die? Bro just bust top. Oh, am I getting a haircut? Nah! All I wanted was a haircut. You didn't give me a haircut. You're so mean, man. What if I go here? Yup, no, I don't know there. There's like some sort of bots or something over here or something. Yeah, there's a bot. I think I pressed this. Do you guys move? Oh, that's the engine. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh, there's your bots there. Nah! I definitely got a bus tower right there. Studio high, man. I got a studio high. I got Lawton. A jet to Lawton. I cannot be unlawton, because being unlawton is not good. Oh my, I almost just died. Bro, why don't you go down? Go down! Bro! Oh, I'm stupid. Where's the over there? Oh my. Bro. Why not add? Bro, this is AI image, bro. Let me out of here. I just not beat the thing. Come on, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, don't want it. There's no way of surviving this. What do I do, man? I just press that. Yeah, push that. Bro. How am I supposed to do that? Buzz top. What does that mean? What is that? What's that shadow thing? Bro. Come on. You didn't do this hat. Bro. I just want to pass this, please. Doing anything, please. 30. Yeah, this isn't the video. I know this short video, but yeah, bye.